Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to plan internal audits on Monday.com, your 2025 complete guide. First things first, you need to create a new board dedicated to your audit process. To do this, go to the left panel, click on Add, then New Board. Label your board as Internal Audits. This step is vital because it sets the foundation for your audit planning. It provides a central place where all audit-related tasks and information will be stored. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. You need to set up groups for each audit area. Under your new board, click on New Group and name them according to your audit areas. For instance, Finance, HR, Operations. Structuring your board with groups is crucial as it helps in organizing the audits according to their specific departments. Next up, we're going to add items, which represent specific audits for each group. Click on Add Item, then name it according to the specific audit, like Quarter 1 Finance Audit. Remember to add these items under the correct group. This step is essential as it helps in breaking down the audit process into manageable tasks. After that, we're going to assign people and dates to each item. Click on the person icon and select the team member responsible for the audit. Then, click on the calendar icon to select the due date. This step helps assign responsibility and accountability to each audit task, and the due dates keep everyone on track with the schedule. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone on the team is on the same page about their roles and deadlines in the audit process. Plus, Monday.com's notification and reminder features mean that no task will ever slip through the cracks. Last but not least, it's time to add status columns to track the progress of each audit. Click on Add Column, then select Status. You can customize the statuses according to your audit stages, like Not Started, In Progress, Completed. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of where each audit is at, and it's easy to update as the audits progress. That's it. You have just set up your internal audit planning on Monday.com. Remember, the goal is to use this tool to make your audit process more efficient, organized, and transparent. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time with another helpful guide.